Okay, hi, welcome to this tutorial. In this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to post in your blog, in the blog section of your website. Yeah, you have a website and you should have a blog section where you post things about your industry. Yeah, there's an advantage to that over those that do not have blog section. For those that do not post in their website blog section. Yeah, so why must you post? Why must you have a blog section in your website and post things that pertains onto your industry? Number one reason is that it helps rank your website. Google loves freshness. Google loves updated sites. So if you update your site regularly, I tell you, Google will prefer your website over others that do not. You see, yeah, among other very important things, this is one of the things that Google uses to rank your website. You see, yeah. So if you have a website, make sure that you have a blog section that will write things that pertains to your industry. This will make your website fresh, to make your website updated, and Google will prefer to put out your information first before others. Yeah. Okay. So if you want to post, first thing you will do is to log in into your WordPress dashboard, which is where I am now. I'm already logged in into our website. Okay, so looking at the left panel where your tools are, you can see post, and when you hover over it, you see all posts, add new posts, categories, and tags. Okay, we are interested in this one now, add new post. So you click on it. Let's allow it to load. Okay, it's still loading. Okay, so as you can see now, the first thing you're seeing here is add your title. So this is where you add the title of the post you want to write. And mind you, you don't just write anything in your blog section. Make sure that the things you are writing is relevant to your industry. Because what it does is that it attracts people, it attracts potential clients, that attract potential customers to your website. So if you do it well, people will establish yourself as an expert in your field, and people will want to interact with you or do business with you. So you make sure that whatever you're posting is something that is relevant, something that will add value to the people that will read it. So that is it. So here you will add your title. Okay, for the purpose of this training, I have asked ChatGPT to give me a sample post. So I'll go there and easily copy the title of the post I want to use to show you. I'll copy it, then paste it here. So now this is the title of the post. Okay, so to start writing the post, you come down to this place. This is where the body of your post will be. This is where the body of your post will be. So I can also go to my ChatGPT and copy the whole of the text that it has written for me. I copy it, then paste it here. Okay, so you can see the post is segmented. You have introduction, you have outstanding sustainability, you have wide sustainability, and so on and so forth. So you don't just write straight, make sure that you section them. It enhances readability. Yeah, and it is one of the things that helps your SEO. If you look at this place now, look at this right panel now, you see readability is good. It has already turned green because I made it simple so that anybody can easily glance through it. Yeah, sometimes somebody comes to your blog session and you don't want to read everything there. The person can just glance through to see if what he or she is looking for is there. Yeah, so this is what helps it. Make sure you section it using heading. As you can see, this heading now is H3 heading 3. Make sure you use heading to sectionalize your blog content. Alright, so as it stands now, okay, I've finished writing my blog post. So the next thing you do is to scroll down. When you scroll down, you will see this Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO is a plugin. It's an SEO plugin. It has a paid version and it also has a free version. So what does it do? It helps you to configure the SEO of your blog post. It helps you to configure the SEO of your blog post so that Google will be able to rank it. Alright, so what do? Make sure that you come down here and study these places and know what they are. As you can see, this is the focus keyword. This focus keyword means the keyword you want people to, when they search, they will find it. That's the focus keyword, key phrase. The key phrase, the keyword that when people search on your on Google, your website have a chance of coming out first. Alright, so from our post is about the ultimate guide to sustainable living. What should be our focus keyword? Please, this tutorial is not a full detail of how to set up SEO. I'm just giving us a guideline to help us understand what we are doing, to help us understand the importance of setting your SEO. Maybe in another video, I will do a guide how to properly set up your SEO so that you can rank higher on Google. Okay, so here you put your focus keyword. As you come down, this is the mobile results and this is the desktop results. Okay, so here now, the ultimate guide to sustainable living. This is the sample post. This is how your website, your blog post will appear in the phone, and this is how it will appear on the desktop. Alright, so this thing now is what is called the SEO title. Why this one is meta description. These two are very important. They are very important in ranking your website or your blog. Alright, so make sure you put out a very catchy title and the meta description. Alright, so this is where you put your meta description. So anything you put here now will replace whatever that is here. Remember, I'm just showing us around. This video is not about SEO. So when you have checked everything and you are satisfied with what you have done, you also make sure that you add image, you add a thumbnail to your post. Okay, by coming down to this place, you can see featured image. You click on it. If you don't have the image here already, you can go and click on upload, or let's just use one of the images here to illustrate what we are doing. I just click on this one and click set as featured image, and that is it. Okay, when I'm satisfied with what I've done, I'll just come up to this place and click on publish. So click on publish, and with that, your website, your blog post is live. You can click here to view your post. Alright, can you see that? This is the image you added. This is how your blog post is. Alright, that is it. Thank you, and see you in the next one.